Hey friends, if the Windows 11 cursor is loading with a blinking circle, a blue colored blinking circle, then please watch this video. So there can be two things. One is that a third party software is causing this issue, and the other one is that you have selected the wrong cursor. So simply search for the word pointers in the Windows search bar and click on change the mouse pointer display or speed. Click on pointers, and then if this option is selected, then it will actually show with this cursor all the time, which is not how it should be. So just go and select normal select, click on apply, and then on OK. The next thing, the second thing will be a little different. You will have to perform a clean boot on your system. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.